Good morning, students. Let's begin our lessons with new subject, that is geography. The first lesson is the earth and the graticules. Let's see important terms related to it. A miniature model of earth is said to be a globe. This object represents globe. So students, what is the use of the globe? A globe can be used to find the location on the earth. Locations on the earth. So students, there is some horizontal and vertical lines drawn on the globe. Horizontal lines are said to be latitude and vertical lines are said to be a longitude. These both are imaginary lines. You can see latitude and longitude lines from the picture clearly. Let's discuss the important points. Globe can be used to determine the location on the earth. Horizontal lines, latitude; vertical lines, longitude. They are the imaginary lines on the globe. Latitude and longitude are expressed into degree, minute and seconds. For example, 80 degree, 32 minutes and 25 seconds. So these could be read in following manner. Next, the circle created at some angular distance from the center of the earth are called as parallel of the latitude. 0 degree parallel of the latitude is called equator. Equator bisect the earth into two parts, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. The picture clearly shows here equator and 0 degree prime meridian. And what else? East longitude. South parallel. Equatorial plane. These are the important terms of the globe. Yes? The semicircular line joining north and south pole meridian of longitude. 0 degree meridian is called as prime meridian. Prime meridian divides the earth into eastern and western hemisphere. Parallel and the meridian on the globe form a net that is called as the graticules. The equator is the greater circle. So with this I am finishing first chapter of geography. This is the second lesson of geography, that is let us use graticules. तो ग्रेटिकल्स का यूज़ हम कैसे करते हैं इस लेसन में हम वो सीखेंगे. Students, see this picture. While describing the location of the place, we need one parallel and one meridian. One parallel and one meridian is required. Parallel at 23 degree 30 minutes. 23 degree 30 minutes to the north is Tropic of Cancer. 23 degree 30 minutes to the south is Tropic of Capricorn. Yes, 66 degree 31 minutes to the north Arctic Circle and 66 degree 30 minutes to the south is Antarctic Circle. The smallest country in the world is Vatican City. The prime meridian is also Greenwich meridian. Purpose of the prime meridian: to fix the globe standard time. Global standard time is also known as Greenwich meridian. The international date line is marked with the reference to 180-degree meridian. International date line is marked with the reference to this meridian. The equator as well as all pair of opposite meridian form a great circle. A great circle are used to find the minimum distance between any two places on the surface of the earth. So students, with these important points of chapter number 2, I am finishing this lesson. Let's go with the exercise. Students, this time you are having all objective type of question. That is, options are given and you have to select the correct option from them. So this activity you have to carry out one time in your notebook. Yes, plus here what it is given, observe the globe and examine the following statement whether it is correct or not. If it is correct, if it is wrong, you have to correct the wrong statement. So you have to carry out this activity one time. Students, this is the home assignment which I have done for you. Yes, what term is used for the imaginary east-west horizontal lines on the earth? Parallel. What is the shape of the meridian? Semicircular. What do the parallel of latitude and meridian of longitude together form on the globe? That is called as graticules. How many parallels are there in the northern hemisphere? 90. Then which circle form the east and west hemisphere? That is 0-degree prime meridian and 180-degree meridian. Which circle appear as a point on the globe? North and south pole. How many places on the earth may be located on 45-degree north parallel? That is many. Correct the wrong ones. So here you can see parallel of latitude lies parallel to the prime meridian. तो this is wrong answer. ये गलत है. हाँ, सही क्या है? Parallel of latitude lies parallel to the equator. This is the correct. Parallel of the latitude lies parallel to the equator, not the meridian. समझ में आया? Next, all parallel of latitude converge at equator. No, latitude converge, एक जगह मिलते हैं equator पे. No, it is wrong. What is right? All meridian of longitude converge at the poles. Poles पर वो मिलते हैं. Then 80 degree 4 minute 65 second north in the north meridian. It is wrong. 80 degree 4 minute 65 seconds north is a north parallel. It is not meridian, it is parallel. Correct? Next answer देखो. Meridian are parallel to each other. No, it is not parallel. Latitudes are parallel. Meridian parallel नहीं होते. Yes. Next, parallel and meridian are imaginary line. This is the correct answer. So I have put tick mark over here. This is the correct answer. So students, I have completed the activity for first lesson. Let's go activity for second lesson now. This is the activity for second lesson. That is 60 degree 30 minutes north parallel means Arctic Circle. Which parallel bisect the earth equator? What is the angular distance of the Arctic Circle from North Pole? 23 degree 30 minutes. Where do the prime meridian and equator intersect each other? African continent. Up to which parallel form the equator can the sun rays be perpendicular? Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn. What would be the latitude of the place on the south pole? 90 degree south. Correct one. Here also the same condition, only two I have given over here. Location of a road can be described only with a map. Wrong. Location of a road can be described with latitude and longitude of a point. 0 degree east meridian and 180 degree east meridian. That is wrong. 0 degree meridian and 180 degree meridian. It is the correct answer. Where is the Vatican City? Vatican City कहाँ पर है? It is within Italy on the Italian peninsula. Italian peninsula. Give uses of great circle for finding the minimum distance between any two places. Importance of prime meridian to fix the globe standard time and coordinate the standard time of different countries. So with this I am completing the second chapter of geography. So you have to carry out this activity one time. Students, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.